Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change username in Windows 11 PC. In case you have created a local user account and you want to change the name of that account without deleting the files, then click on this one start button and type here control, and in the search results click on this one control panel entry. In control panel window, click on this one user accounts. Before that, ensure view by is set to category. Then click on this one user accounts. Then again click on user accounts. Then click on this one manage another account option. Now select the account you want to change the name. Then click on this one change the account name option. Now under new account name, type your name you want to apply for that user account. Then click on this one change name button. This will change that particular user account name in your Windows 11 PC everywhere, including a start menu